Welcome to day 3 of our Lisbon trip. We had breakfast at Maxime's and then checked out. We'd decided to take the yellow bus Modern Lisbon tour as our hotel transfer, as our ticket was still valid and our new hotel was at the end of that route. Plus we only had cabin baggage with us. The journey up to the north of Lisbon was pretty grey and wet, but we saw a few interesting sights on the way. The orange trees fruiting in February felt a bit out of place to us. We went past the MV Funchal, an ex-Portuguese cruise ship and also ex-presidential yacht, which is currently being renovated into a floating hotel by a crypto billionaire. The next real point of interest was the refinery tower, which was built in 1939 and was a part of the World Fair Expo 98. From there, we went past the Vasco da Gama shopping mall, and then turned the corner to see the Vasco da Gama Tower, which is where we're spending the next 2 nights at Myriad by Sana. We got a nice glass of cava as we checked in. Our room wasn't ready as we were a bit too early, so we sat on the deck and enjoyed our drinks. Then we went for a walk upriver to have a good look at the Vasco da Gama Bridge. It started raining again, so we took a walk back to the hotel, pausing on the way for a look at the rather impressive statue of Queen Catherine of Braganza. We sat down for a cuppa back out on the deck, and one of the reception staff popped out to tell us our room was ready. And also we'd been upgraded from a superior to a premium room, which was very welcome news as we stayed in the superior before and it was absolutely lovely. I'll do a quick room tour while we're here. The bathroom is lovely, with a massive whirlpool bath, premium toiletries, and a good-sized standalone shower. The hanging egg chair is possibly my favourite part of the room. I loved sitting here watching the view of the river and the city lights at night. The bed is huge and super comfy. And there's a nice little table and chairs. Back in the entrance vestibule, you've got your wardrobes and storage. And some nice logoed bathrobes and slippers. In the corner cupboards, you've got a fridge, a safe, kettle and coffee machine, and in this drawer, you've got coffee pods and a selection of tea bags. And of course, all the rooms here come with an amazing view. Which today is a bit grey, unfortunately. Once we'd settled in, we caught the lift down to the lobby and a bus back into the city. We had a quick drink at the commercial square, then headed out to find a restaurant for dinner. We stopped at this place as the cured meats hanging on all the walls looked really tempting. We ordered a local beer and a Vino Verde, then started our meal with a cured meat and cheese sharing platter, which was really good. Our mains arrived and they were absolutely huge. I'd ordered the pork ribs, which were tasty but quite fatty. Sue's had slow-cooked beef cheeks, which she really enjoyed. We walked further downtown for coffee and dessert, and we decided this place looked like the one. And we weren't disappointed, although after this we were both uncomfortably full. We kept on walking down to the waterfront, enjoying what turned out to be a very pleasant evening. And getting some nice pictures too. We ordered an Uber back to the hotel, which was about €10. Then we decided to have a quick nightcap at the bar, before heading up to our room. Where I couldn't resist sitting in my chair, enjoying the view. Thanks for watching.